What's up guys, welcome back to our video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to transfer Dito load balance to GCash. Is it actually possible? So if you're looking for a way to transfer your Dito load balance here to your GCash account, well, there are a few things that you may need to understand here. Now, we all know that if you open up the GCash app here and press on the load option, as you can see, Dito is one of the option here that you can transfer, load, or buy load from the GCash app. Now, if you click on Dito here, it just requires you to enter the number of your Dito account or the Dito mobile number that you want to send or buy load for. Now, the process here involves you using your GCash account to buy Dito load. But what if vice versa? You want to transfer your Dito load or use your Dito load balance for GCash. Well, currently, as of right now, with how GCash and Dito is currently set up, it's not yet possible. So if you have a Dito load balance, you won't be able to use that on other platforms like GCash, which is something really unfortunate. So currently, that is the limitation with how Dito and GCash interacts as of this moment. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.